It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, hello there fine beauties, your girl EuniyceMari here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the calendula flower. I'm going to talk to you guys about the benefits of the calendula flower for skin and hair, how I use the calendula flower, how you can use it in your beauty regimen, as well as for teas and everything. So we're going to be focusing in on this flower. It has a lot of great benefits, and yeah, so let's go ahead and let's jump right into this. Make sure you guys take a moment to go and subscribe if you haven't already. Join the Informed Beauty fam. I know I've been away for a little bit, but you guys, I kind of lost my creative juices for a little bit, and I don't try to rush things or force anything. I just let whatever comes to me come to me, and so this is what came to me, and I was like, that's a perfect idea. Let's talk about the calendula flower. It has a lot of great benefits. So yeah, definitely thumbs up this video and subscribe if you haven't. All right, we're almost at 10K subscribers, so let's jump into calendula. So first thing first, right? Let's start with, what is calendula? What is it? Calendula is a flower. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show it to you in a little bit, but calendula is a flower that is used for wounds, rashes, inflammation, and other skin and scalp conditions. It's used in oils, teas, salves, body butters, baths, all that, right? So the calendula flower that I use is from FGR Organics. It looks like this, all right? And this one is a whole flower from Egypt. It is certified organic, and on the back it just says, the flower petals of the calendula are a healing and soothing botanical used for centuries to treat wounds, cuts, and abrasions. Infused into a healing oil, create a salve for chapped lips and diaper rash, or use calendula tea to soothe a sore throat. This bag contains certified organic 100% whole calendula flowers from Egypt. All right, and if you can see on the back, it tells you that they're certified organic calendula flowers on the back, so there's nothing in them. They're GMO free, and they're just organic, okay? And then how you want to store this is in a cool, dark place. You don't want to have these in direct sunlight. Now this is what the calendula flower looks like. I took a little bit out so you guys can see what it looks like. So they're very dried. They're not whole or anything. They're just dried up pieces of the flower. And then I'll show you one of them up close, like this one here. There you go. So that is the calendula flower. All right, so you get a full bag, and I forgot how much this was, but I will leave everything down below in the description bar so you guys can go and check it out. All right, but you get quite a bit in this bag here. So now that we know what the calendula flower is, let's talk about the benefits of the calendula flower for skin as well as hair. So the calendula flower, as I mentioned before, is great for like wounds, healing, rashes, any type of those, anything that needs to be healed, the calendula flower is good for. So it's for, when it comes to the skin, it is antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial. It soothes the skin, it's healing, and it is an antiseptic. When it comes to the scalp, it hydrates dry scalp, it helps with dandruff, it regenerates hair follicles, it promotes thicker hair growth, and it is a great antioxidant. All right, now when I think of this, or when I'm talking about the calendula flower, both ways. So you can make it into a tea, or you can make it or put it into an oil, or put it into something to apply to the skin or the scalp, and it will work both ways. Now let's jump into how to use the calendula flower, because this is very important. So let's say, like, now that you got herbs, or now that you got the dry calendula flower, how can you use it? What do you do with it? So one of my favorite ways first to use the calendula flower is I like to put my herbs in oils. I am a soak it in oil or let it marinate in oil queen. I'm going to show you guys something really quickly. These are not flowers or herbs. These are actually roots. And we'll talk about this in another video. But I actually have some angelica root marinating in some, I think it's almond oil if I'm not wrong, or coconut oil. But I love to extract the benefits of the herbs through oils, okay? Because I'm like an oil fanatic. I like to put it in my hair, I like to put it on my skin. That's what I do. So one of the ways you can use is that you can take an oil of choice, like grapeseed oil. I also like almond oil. You can either do jojoba oil, even olive oil, and you just place the herb inside of a bottle of choice. So you'll take a bottle, place the herb inside of the bottle, and then you would put in your oil of choice and let that sit for about a week and extract all the wholesomeness of the flower. And then you can take that and you can apply it to your skin, you can apply it to your scalp, you can apply it to your bash, you can apply it to other beauty products, just to have that extra benefit or that extra boost of the calendula flower. Another way that you can use this is in your teas. So of course you can make a tea from the calendula flower and you can drink it, and that will help with just a sore throat, and also to external. Everything you do internal comes out to external, so it will help your skin look a lot healthier. It will help to heal the skin. And I think if you're somebody who suffers from like skin problems like eczema, acne, and things of that sort, the calendula flower can really help you with healing that, because it is a very healing flower. So it works great when it comes to healing skin problems or inflammation, or like breakouts or bacteria, fungal, all that, okay? The next way you can use it, I said this before, but you can add it to your body washes, you can add it to your body lotions. Not just the herb itself, I would say definitely infuse the herb in oil, and then you can take that oil and add it to your body washes and add it to your body lotions. So or face lotions or face washes. So you can add this also to, like, you know, other beauty products to boost or give them a little bit more of a healing property. You can place it in baths. I love, okay, so you can either make an oil out of this and place it in the bath, or you can take the flower in itself and just add it to your bath. That's one of my favorite ways, is having the flower itself and adding it to my bath, and that's going to be something else that we'll talk about in a later video, so stay tuned to that. But you can definitely just add it to your bath, and it has such a great soothing, healing result when it comes to the skin. And then lastly, you can also add to other herbs. So you can add in, let's say for example, chamomile, you can add roses, you can add lavender to this, and it will also help to boost the benefits of the calendula flower. So it's okay to get creative with it and to, you know, use it in conjunction with other herbs, okay? And so also how to store. So let's talk lastly about how to store. Currently I just have my calendula flowers in this bag here, and I guess that's fine, but I like to store my herbs in more of a seal tight container. So for example, I have some motherwort here in this little plastic seal tight container. I need to actually buy more of these so I can start putting my other herbs and roots into these. But you want to definitely put your herbs and your roots, well, we'll talk about herbs first, or your flower, calendula flowers, into a seal tight container and keep it in a cool, dark place, okay? I have my little apothecary here, which is actually right next to the window, which I'm gonna have to end up moving it because I do feel like it's too close to sunlight. But you definitely want to either tuck this away in the corner, but you want to keep them preserved by keeping them in a seal tight container that is in a cool, dark place. All right, and so that is everything about the calendula flower and how you can use it in your everyday for your skin care and scalp needs it's a very, to me, when I see the calendula flower, it's the healing flower. Like for me, I feel like it's I can't talk. For me, it's the healing flower because it has so many great healing properties to it. And I feel if you are suffering from like acne or any skin conditions, scalp conditions, it is really, really great to throw into your regimen to help to heal that skin. Next week I will be talking about chamomile and sharing with you guys how I use chamomile, the benefits of chamomile, and everything of that sort. So if you guys want to see about that, make sure you stay tuned to next week's video, and all links of what I talked about will be down below. I also have playlists of other essential oils and things of that sort that I've talked about here on the channel, and so I will leave links to those down below so you guys can go and check that out. But yeah, you guys, so that's all about calendula and how you can use it in your beauty regimen to help out with your skin and your scalp and your overall beauty. All right, so with that being said, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.